guys, it's Carol. How are ya? I made it to the parade. Here I am with my sunscreen and my peach flavored sparkling water. We had a really good time. I really enjoyed it. My grandson Mason and my daughter Becky took me. We got there early and got excellent spots on the street to sit. We took our camp chairs. There's the Longhorns. Oh, I love the Longhorns. They are so pretty. And every Longhorn I have ever seen up close seems to be just a big, gentle giant. Seems to be sweet as they could be. There they are. Just walking down the street like, another day at the office. Like this is what they normally do. Some of them sway their heads left and right. I just love watching them. And they had so many different colors and markings. They were pretty. Look at that one. This one's going right. Are you taking pictures? That's pretty cool. Longhorns can weigh between 900 pounds and 1,500 pounds. They're huge. And I'm not sure who these people are unless they represent different countries or something. I don't know. And then, you know me, I'm so technology challenged. First of all, outside I can't see on my phone to see what I'm taking a picture of, or if I'm even taking a picture. I thought I got a whole lot more video, but it was either on the side, or on the street, or it didn't actually look good. Look at this little girl on the phone turned down. This little girl was so cute. She had her hair cut all over her face. So,
across the street from it.
One of the things I didn't get pictures of was they had gunmen doing a fake fight. This is a chuck wagon. A chuck wagon is what the cowboys used to take out on the cattle drives, and then they had a female. That's his picture. But anyway, I had a good time. Becky and her family went to the ranch rodeo Friday night, and in their gift shop that they had set up, she got this hair clip. I think it is absolutely beautiful. The turquoise part of the hair clip is plastic, but the design part is actually leather that's tooled and been dyed. I thought it was gorgeous. And then this is tile work on an old building in Amarillo downtown. I thought that was so gorgeous too. As I said, it's an old building, and this beautiful tile work was above every window. Well, that's it for this one, guys. Tomorrow, if I can get around to it, I plan on making pineapple bread. I've never made pineapple bread, but I have some pineapple left over from making a fruit salad. And so I thought I would try pineapple bread. Have you ever had pineapple bread? Okay, I guess that's it for today. Talk to you in the next video. Hope you're having a great weekend. Bye.